your Superdrug Beauty card in store today.
Molly? No, that's a cable. Molly? Oi. Molly, that's the cable.
We always thought when a fact didn't work, we'd up sticks and move somewhere warmer.
Oi, Molly. Oh no.
Had a good look on first off, I can tell you.
Molly.
Transit paid off, you did exactly the same with your pension. If you're about to retire, shop around and you can get more retirement income.
Molly.
Transform your home with the Everest June sale. Call now on 0800 010 123. Don't miss out.
Good girl.
Meet Wade Carini. He's on a mission to find, restore the car, and sell the coolest cars in the world. Chasing classic cars, weeknights at 8 starts
What are you doing, Molly?
on Turbo.
Right, section 10.
No camera.
Control. I've laid out all the bits. So I've got basically here pilot's angle this side, a cross tube, passenger's dual control which will go on that side like so, a bit of gubbins at this end to connect it all together and make the dual controls, and this bit of kit is actually the throttle for the pilot.
What are you doing then?
Right, so the first job is to start all the way down here and actually start fabricating the dual control for the throttle in this end. We're going to drop in these two bushes, one in there, then we need the transfer shaft, followed by the two B controls.
We'll fly up there then.
That.
Where are you going?
One goes on right angles to the first one.
Where are you going? Where are you going now?
One from the back, one to a treat. So there is one mechanism, and then that will hook up with the passenger's collective control and the throttle.
You're going to get my remote control again, are you?
Later on.
You're going to get my remote control again?
Pilot side.
Do you want a strap, do you? A strap.
Collective control is controlling the height above the ground by skin height. Raising collective, the helicopter hovers at a higher altitude. Lowering collective, the helicopter descends. Typically, however, there's minimal throttle work. At altitude, when you're making large collective movements, you need to adjust the throttle to help maintain the RPM.
So what are you doing up here then?
Come around that final approach, I'll reduce collective.
Oh, remote control again, is it?
We're going to raise collective to see how we fly.
You can't have my remote.
Straight level, so reduce collective. You can actually feel the helicopter go down, and if you want the vertical speed indicator, you can see it indicate the descent.
You exploring, are you?
Helicopter actually climbing, and the vertical speed is indicating the climb.
Got to attach this, the throttle grip sleeve, onto this, the end plug, and that's just held in with a roll pin. It's pre-drilled at the moment, so it slots in there. Little roll pin in the top, and then gently give it a bit of a bash.
You did, Molly? You going to come down here?
Okay. Sorted, and then the whole shaft fits down the length of the collective handle.
You got it though, didn't you?
Slide that in one end. So it's a little bit stiff at the moment because it's still covered in its protective layers, and if I strip that off it will rust very quickly, so just a little bit of squeeze down for now. That's sorted out, which put another one of these B control arms. There you go. And then it's just the bolt through and then that on the other side. So that's the B control arm on. Now I need to put on this bit, number 8, E159030, the throttle connector, and yes, you guessed it because it's got some welding on, It's a welding.
You can speak to Molly, what? What are you doing? You just posing? Hmm.